practice English speaking.
Hi, everyone. Oh my gosh, Jake, I am so excited today.
Hey, Anna, me too. Although, I always feel a little nervous talking to new people.
Nervous? You? The guy who talks to his coffee machine like it's his best friend?
Hey, my coffee understands me. But yes, meeting real people, tricky.
That's why today we're talking about how to make friends in English. Easy conversation, fun tips, and a few laughs.
Sounds perfect. And hopefully no coffee machines involved this time.
Promise. Okay, so first, saying hello seems simple, right?
Simple, yes. But somehow I always say, hi, do you like, weather?
Classic. No one asks about the weather like that in English. Try, hi, I'm Jake. What's your name? Simple, clear, friendly.
Oh, that's it. Not, are you a cloud or a sunshine person?
That's creative, but maybe later. First, basic hello.
Okay, simple hello. Got it.
Next step, small talk. Very important. Ask simple questions about the person.
Like, do you like, cats?
Exactly. Or what kind of music do you like? Something easy to answer.
Oh, I always ask complicated stuff like, if you could live in a parallel universe.
That's how you end up talking to yourself. Keep it simple, Jake.
Okay, simple questions. Music, food, got it.
And always listen carefully. Show interest. Nod, smile, maybe say, really? That's cool.
Ah, the magic words. That's cool. Very powerful.
Very powerful indeed. And if you forget words, don't panic. Just say, sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat?
That works? I always panic and start mumbling.
Mumbling is cute once, but repeating is better.
Okay, I will try. Sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat? Got it.
Good. Now, talking about hobbies. People love talking about what they like.
Ah, hobbies. So I like reading or I like football.
Yes, or I like cooking, or I love watching movies. Simple sentences, easy to remember.
Okay, I like, got it. And maybe throw in a joke.
Yes, for example, I like cooking, but only desserts because vegetables are scary.
That's true. Vegetables are scary.
Exactly. A little humor makes friends feel comfortable.
I can do that, maybe. Okay, next.
Sharing about yourself is important too. Short sentences, not too long.
Like, I am from New York. I love pizza. I have one cat. His name is Muffin.
Perfect. That's clear, simple, and friendly. Muffin is a great cat name too.
Thank you. Muffin appreciates it.
So now, inviting someone to do something. That's fun.
Invite? That's scary.
Not scary, simple. Do you want to have coffee sometime, or would you like to join me for a walk?
Ah, not, shall we explore the mysteries of life together?
Too much. Keep it casual. Coffee, walk, small fun things.
Okay, coffee or walk. Got it. Easy.
And if they say yes, yay, you made a new friend. If they say no, no problem, just smile.
Smile, even if inside I cry.
Maybe just a tiny dramatic sigh inside. But yes, smile outside.
Okay, smile. I can do that.
Oh, another tip? Repeat words. People like hearing their favorite things again.
Repeat words like echo?
Sort of. For example, if they say, I love music, you can say, you love music? Me too. Simple repetition makes connection.
Ah, that's clever. Makes me sound friendly.
Exactly. Friendly, simple, happy vibes.
I like happy vibes. Very important.
And don't forget, laugh a little. A small laugh goes a long way.
Okay. Laugh. Haha.
Perfect. And also use little compliments. Not too much. I like your shirt, or that's a cool bag.
Oh, I like compliments. Easy.
Easy, yes, but genuine. Muffin can sense fake compliments.
Muffin is a very honest cat.
Okay, so we talked about greetings, small talk, hobbies, invitations, listening, repeating words, compliments, and laughter.
That's a lot, but feels doable.
Yes, and the more you practice, the easier it becomes. Even saying hello to strangers helps.
Okay, so hello, ask simple questions, listen, laugh, repeat, compliment, invite. Got it.
And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes them. Just smile and keep talking.
Okay, smile, talk, repeat. Easy words, big results.
Exactly. And the more you do it, the more confident you become.
Confidence. Sometimes my confidence hides under the bed.
Then we gently pull it out and say, come on, let's make friends.
That's cute. I like that idea.
Another tip, use your eyes too. Look at people, show interest. Not staring like a cat, just friendly.
Friendly eyes, not scary cat eyes. Got it.
And always finish with a smile. A smile can make even a bad joke sound good.
I love smiles. Maybe better than coffee sometimes.
Better than coffee? Blasphemy. But yes, a good smile is magic.
Magic. I like magic. Makes friendship fun.
So, friends, to make new friends in English, hello, simple questions, listen, laugh, repeat, compliment, smile, invite, and enjoy.
Whoa, sounds simple when you say it like that. Fun too.
Fun is the key. English is more fun when you use it to connect, not just memorize words.
Yes, connection over perfection.
Exactly. And don't forget, mistakes are okay. Muffin makes mistakes, and she's adorable.
True, adorable mistakes. I like that.
Okay, let's wrap up, friends. Remember, practice every day, even small talk chats. Say hello, ask one question, smile. You are building friendship magic.
Yes, and maybe one day we will meet a stranger and say, "Hi, do you like pizza?" And boom, new friend.
Exactly, Jake. Boom, friendship achieved.
Thanks, Anna. I feel ready. Muckin is proud too.
I'm sure she is.
All right, friends, practice, smile, laugh, and don't worry about mistakes.
Yes, keep practicing, keep smiling, and enjoy every conversation. English is fun, and making friends is even more fun.
Thank you, everyone. See you next time.
Bye, friends. Smile, laugh, and maybe hug your coffee machine. Just a little.
Bye.
Bye.